Hi, this is how you get Gimp, the image editor from Linux, onto your Chrome OS. Go to your settings and find this uh, piece here, Linux beta. Go in there and activate it and install. And we will go into the terminal and just write a few sentences there. And that's all you need to do. All right, we're in the terminal. So let's just update everything here with this simple line: sudo apt get update. Let's move on to installing the GIMP editor. Sudo apt get install GIMP. Yes. Obviously, this will give you the opportunity to use all sorts of Linux based apps on your Chrome OS, which is really good. Okay, we're done. Let's go to the GIMP editor. Okay, so it lands here in a folder, and I'm just gonna drag out the image editor and also put it here so I can access it faster. Oh no, what a mess, you might say, but this is no problem. You just go to this main window and click on Windows and single window mode. There you have it. Now you can change the size, go full screen and so on, and export images in whatever um, file extension you want. You can do some heavy editing and so on and enjoy it. Hope this helped you. Good luck.